Dubai chocolate croissant. Dubai chocolate became the most viral food trend of 2024 when a single TikTok video of someone cutting open a bar filled with pistachio cream and Kataifi, shredded wheat pastry, generated over 50 million views in 1 week. The croissant version arrived within months. Bakeries across the United States, Britain, and Europe began filling croissants with pistachio paste and toasted Kataifi and selling them for $10 to $18 each. A Dubai chocolate bar that originated at a small UAE company called Fix Dessert Chocolatier became a global pastry trend that generated millions in revenue for bakeries that had nothing to do with its invention. The original company could not keep up with demand. Everyone else did.
The flat croissant. The flat croissant was invented in South Korea when bakers began pressing croissant dough flat before baking, allowing the layers to expand horizontally rather than vertically. The result is paper-thin, shatteringly crispy, and looks nothing like a standard croissant. It went viral on social media in 2022 because the sound it makes when bitten is extraordinarily satisfying on video. ASMR food content drove more flat croissant sales than any marketing campaign could have. A Korean baker's decision to press dough flat instead of rolling it created a format that spread to bakeries on 6 continents within 2 years because it sounds good on a phone speaker.
The cube. The cube croissant was developed in Taiwan and Hong Kong, where bakeries began shaping laminated dough into perfect squares before baking. The geometric precision required to produce a croissant that maintains a cubic shape while the dough expands in an oven is significant. Most attempts produce something approximately cuboid. Bakeries that achieve actual cubes charge significantly more and photograph them extensively. The cube croissant went viral in 2023 when food photographers discovered that a golden cube of laminated pastry sitting on a marble surface photographs dramatically well. A shape that is technically difficult to achieve and has no flavor advantage over a standard croissant commands a price premium based entirely on geometry. The New York roll. The New York roll is a round croissant-style pastry shaped into a cylinder filled with cream in various flavors and developed in Hungary before arriving in New York bakeries in the early 2020s. It has almost nothing to do with New York except its name. The name was chosen because New York as a brand communicates quality and desirability to international customers. Hungarian bakeries that invented the format watched American bakeries name it after a different country and charge more for it. The New York roll became one of the most Instagrammed pastry formats of 2022 in the United States. Hungary has noted this development. The cruffin. The cruffin is a croissant baked in a muffin tin so the laminated dough spirals upward into a cylindrical shape and is then filled through the top with cream, jam, or custard. It was invented at Mr. Holmes' Bakehouse in San Francisco in 2014. Lines formed immediately. The format spread to bakeries globally within 2 years. The Cruffins solved a structural problem that croissants have always had. The filling stays inside. Standard croissants are rarely filled because the hollow interior collapses when piped. The muffin tin forces the dough to create a stable cavity. A San Francisco baker's solution to a pastry engineering problem became one of the most replicated bakery items of the decade. The bicolor croissant. The bicolor croissant uses 2 different doughs laminated together, typically one plain and one flavored with cocoa or matcha, to produce a croissant with visible stripes running through every layer. The technical challenge is maintaining the integrity of both doughs through multiple folds without the colors bleeding into each other. When done correctly, the cross-section reveals alternating stripes throughout every layer. Bakeries that achieve a clean bicolor result post cross-section photographs immediately. The internet responds predictably. A pastry technique that requires precise temperature control and timing at every fold stage became a social media competition between bakeries measuring themselves by the cleanliness of their stripes. The Saint Honore. The Saint Honore is a French pastry that combines a choux pastry base, caramel-glazed profiteroles arranged around the edge, and whipped cream in the center, named after the patron saint of bakers. The croissant version replaces the choux base with laminated dough, adding layers of buttery pastry beneath the profiteroles. It requires skills from 3 separate pastry disciplines simultaneously: lamination, choux, and caramel work. Pastry schools use the Saint Honore as a benchmark examination piece because failure in any one technique is immediately visible in the final product. A dessert that tests 3 skills at once and is named after a saint is either the most French thing in existence or the second most French thing after the decision to rename the croissant as French.
Croissant Eggs Benedict. The Croissant Eggs Benedict replaces the English muffin with a croissant, which improves the textural contrast with poached egg and hollandaise by adding laminated pastry layers that absorb sauce differently than bread. It appeared on American brunch menus in the 2010s as brunch culture expanded and restaurants competed for the most photographable plate. The croissant's buttery flavor combines with hollandaise, which is also butter-based, creating a richness that English muffin Benedict cannot match. Nutritionists who have calculated the calorie count of a Croissant Eggs Benedict have chosen not to publish the results on the menu. This is a deliberate industry decision.